Friends, in this lecture, we are know about how to write a research paper. Paper is the most important things to share our research to the community paper. When we are written a research paper, we are share our thoughts, our ideas to the other. First, we know about what do we mean by research. Research is a systematic explanation of observation, facts, laws that are related to a particular aspect. It is a intellectual activity. Research is an intellectual activity. It is a responsible for bringing. It is a continuous process. Research we see in various contexts. Second, what do you mean by research? Research is a honest, exhaustive, intellectual for searching method of studying problem. Research is a not a less or pure leading to useful results thought. Research, there are many type of research: experimental research, historical research, case studies, then survey, descriptive type of research. In this, these are some types of research. Each research have their various techniques and tools of data collection method, such as if you are doing a descriptive research, there are be survey methods like questionnaire, interview. These things you can be used for collecting research data. And other one, if you are doing experimental research, so you need some variables, you are compare this variable and output to your result. These are the some methods and techniques for research data. Let's see we are know about the how to do structure of the research paper. When you are write a research paper, there should be in a framework. This framework we will see which framework and which type of concept you have and model you have assigned. There are first things when you are research paper, you should have a creative title. Then after the creative capital, you have to return a small paragraph regarding your research. Then you should put some keywords regarding your research. Keywords is very important with its keyword identify to your research work. Then after your these things, you are needs to some introduction about the need of this your research study. You should be explain it. Then you should have 4 to 5 literature review on your research. The previous study, some previous study which has been conducted someone in elsewhere, you have should these studies with us for your research. Then you should be decide your objectives regarding your research. Objective is very important thing, is run your research in successfully. Then there should be one hypothesis should be there. This is the testing this hypothesis. When your results, your data is collected, and you have write this output your results. Then a scope and methodology. Scope is which scope there are. Suppose you have the study of the Maharashtra. This is your scope. You can extend this your scope, or you can limited your scope. Such as if you want to study on Maharashtra, then your scope be Maharashtra. If you want to study on Nasik district, so your on Nasik. If you want to do study on India, your scope should be India. Then after the scope, you should be your methodology, assign methodology. If you are survey, you are doing a survey, so you can send a questionnaire to your respondent or your research to get data collected from them. Suppose I want to do a research survey or research on my library, so I can send this questionnaire to my student, my faculty, for collecting of data and assign some questions and get back from them. Then after this your data is collected, your questionnaire is back from them, so you can analyze and interpret this data. Then if you are finally interpreted this data, then you have testing your hypothesis. If I have assigned one hypothesis on my library mostly used mostly used by the faculty. If I have assigned this hypothesis, so with the my data collection and with my interpretation, what is there should be both the things should be matched. Okay. Then another one is after this hypothesis you have tested, then you should discussion and conclusion. You are you give some suggestion on them. Your data is collected and you put your outputs and conclude your research. Then after this, this is the process. Then if you have, according to you have suggest some future research, which type of future research we have been conducted on our research topic. Then acknowledgement is very important. If you are doing on research on in college library, so you acknowledge your principal, because they have give permission to collect data from your college. Then acknowledgement your guide, if you are guide, yeah, help you to do research in these things. And then references, which you data which you reference has collected for this study, from various books, from various research article you have collected, you have study on it, and then you have write your research paper. So references should be there, it is necessary. And then further reading. These are this is the process to how to research paper. Thank you.